G'day folks, here we are again, it's Terry here. As far as COVID goes, it's raging all around the world, so we are in effect still stuck in Australia. Luckily for us, the COVID has dropped down to pretty well no cases whatsoever, very few coming in from overseas, but we still can't go anywhere. I'm staying in a place called Deniliquin in a lovely mud brick cottage surrounded by bush, and I had thought that I would, when I'm here, go for lots of walks out in that bush, but having had a snake slither past me just a few inches from my feet the other day, I thought, won't do quite so many bush walks, I might make another video instead. This time the video is focused on Sweden, from my bike ride through Sweden. I'm hoping to ramp up the map a bit more and get something a bit more interactive happening. Maybe a line sliding across the page would make a bit of a change from having a snake slide past my feet. So we'll see how we go. Here goes. The ferry from the islands took me to Grisslehamn. My target was Helsingborg in the southwest, from where I would catch another ferry to Helsingør in Denmark. I cycled from Grisslehamn to Vaxholm, took another ferry to Stockholm and then cycled south to Söderköping, where I turned west and followed the Göta Canal. At Vadstena I turned south and cycled past any number of Viking runestones and burial mounds until I eventually got to Helsingborg about 2 weeks later. Well, there you go. That was Sweden, which actually turned out to be much more interesting than I thought it would be. With all these Viking runestones and burial mounds and beautiful scenery, it was great. It was really, really enjoyable. I'm really pleased that I got a map organised, and I'm actually going to show it again because I'm so pleased with myself, and I think you've got to get value for money. So here we go. Here's the map again, and see you next time. Bye.